So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix overexposure using Photoshop and post-processing with a technique called sandwiching. To do this, I'm going to increase the brightness of the sun slightly. Now we're going to export a final render for this. So once our final render has exported, I'm going to go ahead and save this channel. So just click save. And now we want to fix the exposure in Photoshop. So by doing that, we need to fix it on here first. So we go to layers, make a new one for exposure. Now we can adjust the exposure here. We can go into view, color clamping, and go view clamped colors. And this will show us just the exposure layer. So we can adjust this until almost all the exposure is completely gone. So this means all the overexposure details are now gone. We can go ahead and save this as another image. I'm going to open our image in Photoshop. We'll go ahead and drag our exposure layer over the top. Just rasterize it. Now we want to create this into a mask layer. And we'll just invert the mask to completely hide the layer. So now we'll use our paintbrush. We want to make sure it's set to white. And on our mask layer here, we can just softly paint to reveal the overexposed parts. You see it creates a bit of a shadow around the edges. We just want to switch this around to black. Increase the opacity. And just touch up the parts that we overdid. There you go. And so now we can just change the opacity for the mask layer. So we adjust it so we get a nice realistic look. About there looks good. You can also use the same method for the overexposed parts on the wall here, for example. And then just switch around to fix up the overexposed, to fix up the overspray. And there we have it. So that's how you fix overexposure using sandwiching in Photoshop.